Ansible variable with playbook. Okay, now this code, you see that, focus on this. So first look at this playbook again. So here you have a host and here you have a tasks. So how to declare the variable? So one of the way you can declare the variable using the vars section. Okay, so here if you see that vars, my name, value, variable, value, variable, value, variable, value. So now I have declared these 4 variables, but how do we use it in the playbook? So look at this here, package name, package name. So double curly braces, and then you can use it here. I have used it, and I have used it here also. I have used it here also, here also. Okay, so now you know that one of the ways how do we declare the variables and how do we use it. Are you understanding, all of you?
Yeah.
Now guys, this module is very important. So guys, in every programming language there is a one method or one module or one function is there which will help you to print the message on the console. For example, printf, cout in C++. So in Ansible, we have a debug module. So debug module, you can display anything. So whenever you use the debug module here, this will print the message, my name is variable and my age is variable value, and like that. So debug module, which you can use it to display, though you can use it. So now this is the one way to create a variable. Now next one, if you think no, this my they have hundreds of variable and my playbook is being spoiled. So let's do one thing. You can declare the variable, same variable, in this var files also. So copy this whole content as it is, put it in a vars.yaml and call like this. That's all. Nothing else you have to do. Are you getting? This is a one way to declare the variable. This is another way to declare the variable. What do you think? Using the same way. All of you?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now, guys, if you say, no, I want the variable to be entered by users during the running the code. So then you can use the var prompts. See that variable name is version, and whatever that you will enter, that will become a var prompt variable values to this particular variable. So if you see that here, this version, I am using somewhere here to debug and to display. Okay, so this is the also you can prompt it. By the way, you can also declare the variable and call the variable during the task also. See here. So any YAML file which will have this kind of content, so you can call during the task also. Only look at this one, the one which I'm selecting it. So yeah, so basically these are the different ways which you can call the variables. This is also one good important way to call the variables. What you are doing, this is there's one, this is register. So what this will do, you are running one module, shell module, this command with these arguments, and whatever the output of this module, you will register a value to this particular variable. So this is also a runtime variable you can decide. So many ways you can decide the variables. Are you understanding, all of you? This code, you have all possible ways to define the variable. For example, use variables in playbook directly, use variables using external var files in playbook, use variables using include vars into the task in playbook, prompt variable, and output of task using register variable. So these are the 5 methods which you can declare the variable in playbook. Are you comfortable so far?
Yeah.
So what I'm going to do, guys, I am going to copy this one variable, and just for the displaying purpose, I'm going to set, don't use tabs by mistake, also vars for name Rajesh 1 2 3 4 package Apache 2. Now name I'm going to display here. That's all. And here Apache 2, this variable has to be here. That's all. So one of the variable I used it, and can I run this code? So vi var.yaml is a playbook. Enter, save it, and run this var.yaml. There is a problem. Problem is uh, here. So I'm making some mistake, and that mistake should be let me check. I'm just checking what is the error. Name is equal to, okay, so I think the version is got changed. They saying name is equal to should be. I'll just check this code. So web save it. There's one error and state also, right? I think this is okay. Let me copy this. Hold on a second. Sometimes they change the. I'm just checking the. So should be okay. There is no problem. I'm not reading the error message. It says here when appending Apache to name latest state latest. So let me try this one. I don't think so. The last one was having error, but I don't have a energy to debug too much and read too much. I know 2-3 ways, so one of the ways will work. And again that error. Wait a second. I think space is issues. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And one second. So here the code is okay. Let's put it in the double quote. Should be maybe that is creating problem. Okay, and let's check it out. Vi and save it and run it. So that double quote was a problem. So now that is done. Now there is another problem here is I see, and that is Apache 2 is undefined. What is undefined? Apache 2. See, this is the problem. So here it should be packaged, right? And here also it should be packaged. Getting my points? All of you? This is a variable, this is the value. Correct now? All of you? Hello.
Rajesh. Good.
So now I'll just run this code, and now I should fix that and should be okay now. So now we'll see that here how beautifully I use the variables. There are different types of variable. Please use this code to learn. So now I told you variable. Now what is a template? So template, what is template? So I want to embed this variable in the file. Which file? Index.html file. Look at this. vi index.html and insert, insert, and 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 this is the one. So this is the variable. Now remember that variable is declared in the here. So name, which is Rajesh, I should get it correct. See here, my name is Rajesh. My name is Rajesh. See that? So let me see if it is happening or not. Okay. So I run it one more time, and I will see that whether it's happening or not. So, and here it has happened. Rajesh has come, but I want to see that here. See, it's not got interpolated. So, did you understand the problem now, all of you? All of you, did you understand the problem?
Yeah.
So, if the variable is defined in the playbook, that is getting interpolated. But if the
Mm,
variable is defined in the file which is used in the playbook,
mm,
which is here, it's not getting interpolated. Correct, no?
correct.
Correct, no? So, what
Yes.
to do? So, that is where we have to use template. So how do we use a template? So in this case, I don't need this code anymore. Instead of recopying, I'm going to use a replacing with a template. How do we do that? So copy paste will be easier because it will create a copy paste mistake, space issues. So here, Ansible template and done. So this you have a complete detailing about this. So please look at it. Now this one I need it. So here. So here, what module you need? Template module. So now, you know what, guys? Template module had certain conditions to interpolate the variables in the files. Then you'll say what condition? So the source file should be in a ending with a J2. J2 means we call it a Jinga2. Jinga2, if you know in programming language, then templating is one concept. Okay, so that way you will understand this one. So this is a template file. So Jinga2 Python template, and then wherever you want, you can do that. So this is something index.html. Okay, so here you have destination var html index.html and good to go. So now the problem, what was the problem? The problem was you have variables which you want to interpolate uh, in the what you say files, but it is not possible. So for that you are using a module called template, and but the condition for the template module is the file extension should be Jinga2 and the destination can be anything. Understood, all of you? Understand everything?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. So can we do that now? So Jinga 2, let me first create Jinga 2. So cp, this file itself I'll make it .g2, and here, and This is the one. vi 10.yaml.
Thanks for watching. Want to study further? Join our training programs today.